Hello, how are you doing? Today, I'm bringing you an incredible recipe called Grilled Chicken Masala, a healthy recipe with divine taste. Do watch the video till the end for an immersive experience regarding fun facts of some of the items associated in making of this mouth-watering dish, including some lesser-known information about the great country of Hindustan. This preparation is very easy as I continue to demonstrate in this lovely video. Before getting started, are you aware that chicken is a descendant of a particular species of animal? Though they are extinct now. Wait for the answer. You will be extremely surprised. You saw some smoke coming out from a covered pot at the very beginning of this video, isn't it? That is a makeshift DIY Nije Koro barbecue which I figured out. First, a medium-sized pot like this is required with a cover. Then some charcoal on a medium-sized foil container. Let it rest in the pot. On top of that, get a flimsy piece of paper. I found a cast iron net in a local hardware shop and put that on top of this foil container. Oh yes, keep some water handy and just light the paper. There you go. Bingo. Gio kaka. Oh. I can see something not burning on the charcoal. You can always give this video a strong like. Okay, the charcoal is burning now. Can you tell the relationship between India and coal? Continue watching as charcoal burns and I put in some green coriander chicken on the makeshift grill. As I turn and rub some butter on the chicken, I time-lapse for you to see the end product soon. Let the chicken cook and I bring you the third lesser-known query. Is coal and charcoal same? Continue watching and I will provide the answer regarding India and coal soon. Before that, coal is a natural fossil fuel formed over millions of years, while charcoal is an artificial product created by heating wood in a low-oxygen environment. Now you see the semi-final prepared product of green charcoal grilled chicken. Yes, but where is the masala? Coming, ashe, dhorjo dhorun. Although other channels and reels might be calling you, however, if you choose to sit and enjoy this video, you will be gifted an adorable memory worth a profound hidden treasure. The first step of ingredients at hand are 3 medium diced onion, 1 bunch coriander paste, few Gondoraj lime leaves, 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of homemade garam masala of cardamom, cinnamon and cloves in equal proportions, 200 ml beaten yogurt or curd, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 small onion paste, 4 tablespoons coriander powder, 4 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds, 1 gram of mace, 1 large cardamom. I really call for a pardon. While listing the ingredients, I know I really sounded boring. Ong bong chong. Like a Baba Purtishar from nowhere. But I am working to be more interesting and proof of boredom now. I didn't forget about the first asked quest on chicken and its forefathers. The response will follow within no time. For the moment, to give it a good thought, I give you a bit of space. Lo, what I see now, dancing coriander seeds. So before working further with the chicken, I would like to bring to you the stunning significance of the herb coriander seed and the great truth sit tight will unveil soon. I will give you a hint. This is something associated with Egypt. I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken and started to season with 3 tablespoons of refined oil, coriander leaf paste, onion paste, coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, yogurt or curd, Gondoraj lime leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar and salt each. No, I do not want the color but certainly want the coriander aroma to get infused in the chicken along with the fragrance of Gondoraj lime leaves. Wow. I will keep the chicken marinated for 1 hour. Meanwhile, the relationship between India and coal is that India is the second largest producer of coal in the world and mines the best quality. Coal has been mined in India since 250 years. Continue to watch for the amazing story of chicken's ancestors. Wait for the revelation soon. Moving on to the next step, creating the masala now. Pouring 2 tablespoons of refined oil in the heated pot. In goes the cumin seeds. I cut the large cardamom and add. Next goes the mace. As the spices sizzle, adding the diced onion. Now goes in the salt, ginger garlic paste. As the onion slowly turns translucent, Kashmiri chili and chili powder is added, rightfully followed by an exquisite tomato paste. This is the game changer. Before we move to the ingredients of this tomato paste, another surprise awaits. Why do we crave to eat grilled or slightly burnt food? The aroma is extremely appealing. Keep watching. The answer lies ahead soon. Now let me state the much-awaited story of coriander seeds and Egypt. Coriander seeds were found to be in King Tutankhamun's tomb. which dates back 8,000 years from today. I'm not aware of the reason. However, I invite you to put the answer in the comment. For the tomato paste, the ingredients are 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon tailed pepper or kebab chini. See how they have tails. Nutmeg, I'll grate 2 grams. 3 star anise, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 6 dry red chili warmed up in hot water. I have kept it for 1 hour. 3 medium-sized tomato which I will chop. Finally, I will grind all the spices and blend the rest together for the tomato paste. I stir the sauce repeatedly and let it cook until oil separates. On the other hand, let's quickly find out regarding grilling meat and hunger. I will lay out the reason why we crave grilled or burnt food, especially meat. As meat burns, a chemical reaction takes place between the protein and sugars. This displays the charred visual and emits an aroma which is flavorful, which in turn elevates our appetite and leaves us hungry. As a result, we crave for more and more grilled or semi-burnt food. Wait, hey, look, it doesn't affect the cat at all. She is just leaving and is not interested. Okay, where was I? Oh, cooking the masala. The oil has separated from the sauce or the gravy. I add the chicken one by one in the sauce. Imagine the aroma coming out of the pan, waiting to welcome the grilled chicken. A perfect and a rightfully deserved combination of a meat and a gravy is created. This would be nutritious and healthy with a divine taste. Now I stir indefinitely. Sorry. A few times only, and finally cover for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, I add freshly ground coriander powder. Now I mix the spice on the chicken by folding and turning. Coriander powder amalgamated with the fused coriander leaves and Gondoraj lime leaves with the charred chicken will impart a memorable delicacy. Just look at the semi-burned yummy delight. Can you imagine the aroma? Okay, the waiting is over and I reveal the bombshell about chicken and their ancestor. Yes, you might have got it by now. It's the dinosaur. In fact, chicken are considered current living dinosaur. Finally, I sprinkle over the much sought after homemade garam masala. I cover it again for 5 minutes and yay, grilled chicken masala is ready. Enjoy with rice, roti, naan or as a chakna. Hope the journey has been ecstatic and you will be inspired to create the same recipe at home very soon. However, as a tip, do handle DIY barbecue with caution. It should be outdoors and I repeat, keep a good amount of water handy. Thank you. Dhanyabad. Bye bye. Tata.